Hey guys, it's Mrs. J, and I am here again to do a lesson on sound. And this is a lab, so you guys can follow along with me at home. All you need is a spoon, make sure it's metal, and a string. Doesn't have to be too long, doesn't have to be a string. It could be a shoelace, it could be anything that can hold a string like this. So first we're going to talk about how a sound is made, and that is through a vibration. So you must have a vibration in order to have a sound, any sound. And that's why we have eardrums in our ear, because a drum vibrates and which produces a sound and we can hear. So we're also going to talk about how high or how low a sound can be, and that's called the pitch, and how loud or soft, and that's called the volume. So first, we're going to take this spoon and we're going to tap it against any hard surface, so the table or chair, and you're going to listen to that sound carefully. So do you hear that sound? It was a loud sound and it was low pitch. And now you are going to tie your string around your spoon like this, and I'll give you a second to pause it. And on that same surface, you're going to lightly tap the spoon onto that surface. So I'll show you how to do it here. Okay, so did you hear the different sound that this made than when you tapped it on the surface like that? So that showed the different pitches. So we're going to talk about how we received those two different sounds. So because your hand is wrapped tightly around the spoon, your hand is absorbing that vibration. Your hand is absorbing the sound. So when you tap it on the table like that, that's why you got a low pitch, because your hand absorbed that vibration and it didn't let it vibrate very long. But when you swung it, maybe you swung it and you hit it. So do you hear how the sound really was high pitched and long? So it kept going until that vibration stopped. So when you tapped it against the table, it didn't have a lot of time to keep vibrating. So it stopped right away and made a low pitch. But when you tapped it like this, it kept going. And you can hear her, the bird, because she's producing a vibration that's going from her mouth, beak to your ears. Okay, so that was my sound lab for today, and hope you enjoyed that. Hope you had fun.